Nauto is a mission-driven AI company that was founded with the intention to prevent collisions and save lives.
We're a mission-driven AI company, really intended to prevent collisions and save lives. And if you ask anyone within the company, you'll hear a lot of the same messages coming from people that they were really attracted to joining an AI company that it really benefits people in society. And you can see it with our AI process stuff. I mean, we have really perfected our distraction features. And as you know, from everything you've read and everything we've discussed, inattention, it contributes to about 70% of all collisions. And Nauto is, without a doubt, the best technology for not only detecting distractions and other forms of inattention, but also preventing them. And so that's really the heart of our solution.